everyone, I'm Wendy. Today I'd like to introduce an AgroSense product, the GPS tracker NEO-6M LoRaWAN, which can track your location and send vibration alerts through email, MQTT, and Telegram, making it ideal for asset tracking and vehicle monitoring and farm management. AgroSense GPS tracker NEO-6M LoRaWAN is a product based on LoRaWAN technology.
LoRaWAN is a wireless protocol for IoT projects, comprising end nodes, gateways, and a network server. It features long-range area, low power consumption, and free usage, ideal for low-power, low-speed applications like asset tracking, farm management, and port monitoring.
In today's video, our goal is to show you how to set and get vibration alerts with 3 different notification methods: email, MQTT, and Telegram. All of these are configured through rules in the DataCake. Now, let's have a look at how to set this up using DataCake rules. First, attach the GPS tracker to the asset or location where you want to monitor the movement and the vibrations. Then create a device in DataCake. Select AgroSense and GPS tracker NEO-6M and enter the dev EUI, app EUI, app key, and the correct frequency. Now, we can view the device data in real time on DataCake. Next, let's add the rules to implement our 3 different notification methods. First, email notification. Click on Rules, then select Add Rule and name it Vibration Alert Email. Choose Vibration Flag as the variable to be monitored. Set the condition so that when its value is 1, it triggers. Select Send an email, enter your email address, and compose the subject line and message. Click Create Rule. Now, you will receive an email whenever a vibration is detected. Next, MQTT notification. Add another rule and name it Vibration Alert MQTT. Choose Vibration Flag as the variable to monitor and set the condition. Here, we use DataCake's webhook function to send data directly to an MQTT broker, in this case, EMQX Cloud. Search for EMQX in your browser, sign up or log in it, create a new project, enter project name, click New EMQX Broker, choose Plan. Enter the username and password for the client. Click New API Key. Copy your app ID and app secret. Since DataCake requires the authorization to be in base 64 format, we can use AgroCloud to convert it. Copy authorization and the URL to DataCake. Then configuration the payload, including the topic and message content. Take out your phone and open the MQTT app. Enter your hostname, port, username, password, and topic. Now, whenever a leak is detected, a message will be published to your MQTT broker. Next, let's look at Telegram notifications. Here, we also use a webhook, but instead of MQTT, we call the official Telegram bot API. Create a new robot in Telegram, following the instructions to enter your information. Copy your token, and search in the browser to get the chat ID. You need to replace this with your token. Include the bot token, chat ID, and message content in the DataCake URL. Now, whenever a leak is detected, you will receive a notification on Telegram. That's how you can easily track your assets and receive vibration alerts by using the AgroSense GPS tracker. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.